In this video, we're going to learn how to use context to create simple melodic patterns for instruments in PD. I have here a simple glockenspiel instrument which takes numbers this time. Numbers as MIDI notes, which are converted to frequencies here. And I want to use context to send it simple melodic patterns. Like last time, I need to use the receive context dash object in order for it to be able to communicate with the instrument. Now, if I just type in a simple pattern here and give it a time duration, context is just going to send a bang like last time. So we're just going to get that same note that I chose at the beginning, which isn't quite good enough. So to give it its own note, I want to use the symbol atom right here, and I can type in a new number. There we go. Now this symbol atom can take any sort of symbols. Here it's only going to be able to interpret numbers, so I'll stick with that. But one nifty feature is you can still actually scroll if there's numbers there. You just have, like a number box, you just have to double click and then scroll up or down. Okay, this is nice, but what happens if I want each box to play a different note? Well, that's possible, but first you're going to have to do some fiddling in the Properties menu. Right-click, select Properties, and you want to go to Messages, X-axis, and Limit. And then you want to increase the limit until 4. What this means is it now allows all of these toggles, all of these 4 toggles, to have their own value. And you can see that by scrolling over and holding the mouse over, that is, and then using the left and right keys. Here only the first toggle has a number. If I go to the right, if I press right, this has no number. Here I'll put in number 50 in, press enter. And now left 52, right 50. This one, I'll put in 40, enter. The next one, 47, enter. And you can see now scrolling left and right, it should be obvious. The little black cross here will tell you which number you're on, and you can see. So there's our little melody. Now, it's a little bit fiddly, moving the mouse or moving the cursor left and right. If you want to edit them all at once, you can do that. What you need to do is right-click, go to Properties, Messages, X-axis again. There's the limit. We don't need to change that. You're going to go down to Edit. And here you'll see a little text box comes up, which has all of the numbers we need. I'll just go back, and now I can edit the numbers one by one. 55, you need to press Ctrl S there. And then there's the new value 55 in the third place. That's how to use context to create simple melodies.